Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a LALAGO, I think that's how you pronounce it, LALAGO pill organizer. So this is 4 times a day. If I mess that up, I do apologize, my beautiful friends. Oh, this is really nice. So it's sealed. You just press this and you can lift it up and now you can see each one 4 times a day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, they actually say right here too. So I did it opposite. So Sunday to Saturday. Morning, noon, evening, night. Let's go ahead and take them out. Each one is airtight sealed. Each compartment is sealed. Yeah, these are really nice. I like them. I like the tint. Definitely great for organizing your pills and a good reminder. And again, the case is airtight, sealed.